Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Ford Fiesta 5-door CL hatch. Stock reference number 4606. This shape runs from the 8th month 2010 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand guard, appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Small spoiler tight. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, front only switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.